Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade dog food. Making your dog's food at home offers many benefits. You gain complete control over ingredients, ensuring freshness and quality. This allows you to tailor meals precisely to your dog's unique dietary needs or any allergies they might have. Plus, you avoid artificial additives and fillers often found in commercial options, which can lead to better health outcomes for your furry friend. Crafting balanced homemade dog food requires a mix of essential nutrients. Start with a lean protein, such as cooked chicken or ground beef, as the foundation. Next, add complex carbohydrates like brown rice or sweet potatoes for sustained energy. Don't forget healthy fats, perhaps a small amount of fish oil, and a colorful array of dog-safe vegetables for vital vitamins and fiber. Variety is key to a well-rounded diet. Safety is paramount when preparing homemade dog food. Always cook all meats thoroughly to eliminate any harmful bacteria. Be vigilant about avoiding ingredients toxic to dogs, such as onions, garlic, grapes, and chocolate. It's crucial to consult your veterinarian to ensure proper nutrient ratios and discuss any necessary supplements. Store prepared meals in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days to maintain freshness. Customizing your dog's diet ensures they receive optimal nutrition. Adjust portion sizes according to their weight, age, and activity level. When introducing new ingredients, do so gradually to observe for any sensitivities. For long-term feeding, consider adding a veterinarian-approved vitamin and mineral supplement to guarantee complete nutrition. Rotating protein and vegetable sources also provides a broader spectrum of nutrients, keeping meals interesting and healthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.